So I just got the product over here. As you can see, this is the tip where you put inside the pipe, and they come with the gloves over here. And this is how it looks at the back. So this is where you put the drill. If you want to put a drill, it's a little bit heavy, and like I would say, oof, 10 pound. You know what? To be honest with you, I think it's around 10 pound. It's not 5, like 10 pounds. So yeah, it's a little bit heavy. This is where you unscrew in order to take this off. So if you want to take this off, you need to unscrew this, which is one way. I'm gonna do it later. Let me see, can I do it here? Say, there you go. So like unclockwise like this, and then you can remove this. Now I only have one hand, so I'm having issues to do it. So I have to unscrew this more, I guess. Right, and then you can put it out. One second. Okay, yeah, so you have to unscrew it until you can actually remove the metal, as you can see. So yeah, I had to unscrew it a lot, and there you go. Now you can take it off, and it's pretty long. Also, the metal over here, the metal is pretty strong. I'll be honest with you. I thought it's gonna be a cheap metal, but it is strong. Like, it's not cheap. Like, I know some people say it was not strong, but I can tell you, I can confirm to you that by touching it, it's kind of sturdy. The other thing I forgot to mention is, although you can use this manually, I highly recommend that you use a drill. You need to have a drill, because this is heavy, guys. It's really heavy, and if you do this manually with your hand, you're going to be tired pretty fast, unless you want that exercise, but I mean, it's up to you. The other thing is, when you unscrew the screw, you got to make sure that you position it back to where the hole is, because as you can see, I unscrewed it all the way, and now I cannot see the hole. So basically, you're just going to double check the hole like this, and make sure that the other hole, like, is like equal. So one thing you need to understand, you don't want to screw it too hard, because you don't want to break it, right? So you just want to screw it enough so that it stays in there, as you can see. So that's how you screw it. Don't go crazy on it. Just make sure it just stick in there and doesn't move. All right, so this is the pipe, as you can see. So it's stuck over here in, like, somewhere down there, because up here everything is fine. We already tested it. The water goes down. So we're gonna try it over here, down here. All right. So as you can see here, I'm putting the thing here, the metal. You just have to pull it out. So it's pretty long, by the way. So this is how long it is. See, the thing is, you need to put the metal inside all the way deep, but I cannot do that because I have only I'm gonna try to do it like this. Not sure if you can see anything. All right, so here you see, you just push it in until you can't. The thing is, you need to figure out where it is. All right, guys, so we're using a drill. As you can see, my father is hanging a drill and I'm holding the machine. So it's two people working on this. So I'm holding this because it's very hard. It's very heavy. So you need two people to work on this. All right, so here we go. So guys, it's working. It's working. Here we go. So as you can see, guys, my father is pushing with the thing, and this is going in, and we're just pulling forward, and it works. Now it's unclogged. Almost, like, I think 10-15 feet now, so it's going further in. So I wish I could show you, but I can only use like one hand. So guys, we did it, and some stuff went out, but the thing is that over here, it was stuck. So it was like very like a lot of gunk, and the thing is, we just spin it over here for like I don't know, like a minute, like 2 minutes, and what happened is that the gunk, it becomes a bigger hole, and it kind of like you kind of destroy the gunk technically. And now we're gonna try and see if it works, because I think we kind of like unclogged the entire place. Now my father is actually okay, so now we're actually putting everything back together, and we're gonna make a test and see if it is unclogged. Here we go, guys. So 1, 2. So usually this gets clogs very fast. So let's see if this is hot water, by the way, boiled water. And we're testing. Usually this would get clogged right now, and it's not getting clogged. There we go, guys. It's working. It is working. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Mother God. Hallelujah. Mother Mary. Oh yeah, it works, guys. See, it's not getting clogged anymore. Hallelujah. Guys, it's working. Look, I'm gonna show you. It's working. I'm gonna leave this on for like 30 seconds. Oh, wait. Okay, guys, so apparently the gunk went forward, but it was not removed. It just went forward in the pipe, so it still doesn't work. And I thought it was working. So we're gonna have to go even further with the machine and try again. All right, guys, we're gonna try again. We're gonna have to go deep inside because I think the gunk went deep inside. Stop. Go. Okay. Alright guys, now we're pulling it out. We went super mega far. And it stinks. It really stinks, so be be ready for that. Phew. Oh, it stinks. So there was a nail inside, guys. Those are the people who used to live here before, I think, and that was inside the pipe. So that's one thing we just noticed as disgusting. By the way, it smells and it stinks. Oh my god. All right, guys. So now we're gonna make a test. Everything is up together. Second try. We're gonna put warm water and let's see if it works. So we're gonna let it go for like a minute, 2 minutes. If it stuck, it should plug at like 30-second or 20-second. So this is warm water, like from the faucet, as you can see. And we're letting. So now it's gonna be around 30-second, not clogging. Going up to 40-second, I believe, not clogging still. Oh, we're almost near a minute. It's not clogging. We're gonna let it go for 2-3 minutes. We want to make sure because it should be clogged right now. This should be clogged by now. It's working. OMG, guys! Please do not clog. Please do not clog. Give me 1 more minute. 1 more minute, just like in the boxing ring. Hit it to the right. Hit it to the left. Jab and uppercut. Bang, 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 bang. Hey, it works. It works. It's been a minute. A minute and 30 seconds, guys, not clogging. Oh my god. Ta-na-na, ta-na-na, ta-na-na. Going to 2 minutes. Ta-na-na. Come on. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na, 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 and I win. We win. Ta-na-na. Guys, it's gonna be 2 minutes and 30 seconds, not clogging. It works. We fixed it. Oh my god, thank you. There is the Lord. Everybody sub, like, and spank that ass. Thank you so much. OMG. Holy cow. As you can see, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Oh my god. Ta-da-da.